Welcome to the next episode of Blockrevision. Trade Idea is a section in which I'm presenting you possibly the best trade or investment idea among whole market, whether it's stock, cryptos, commodities, and so on. Today I have for you an Atom cryptocurrency that is a Cosmos, and I'd like to approach a Cosmos Tether US cryptocurrency trade that is accessible on Binance. So firstly, let's get to fundamentals of Cosmos. So Cosmos is a cryptocurrency that is designed as a ecosystem of blockchains. So it's also it's one of the main aim is to connect blockchains with each other and also make them more scalable to grow faster and also more secure. Recently around Cosmos there was lots of hype because Cosmos in the first half of October this year have seen a million transfers in a month across the ecosystem. So it looks like Cosmos is growing steadily over past months. Recently, worth mentioning is that Cosmos has launched the IBC to enable cross-chain decentralized finance and interoperable non-fungible token transfers, NFTs. So there are lots of things that are going on in Cosmos. By the end of the year, what we can find on CoinMarketCall, there is planned to be designed interchain staking. So interchain staking is a solution where validators will be able to validate chains that request it. So we are not talking right at just the Cosmos chain where we might stake our Atom tokens, but also we are talking about child chains, so separative chains that are connected to Cosmos ecosystem. So that definitely increasing a power of the whole structure and also entails new developers and investors to get to this ecosystem. So right now Cosmos also is about to bridge to Ethereum in 2021. So there are some other important things. Let's look at the sentiment around this asset on viewbase.com. We can find it sentiment around Atom right now on such exchanges as FTX is quite positive, but not very much. 0.048 is a percentage that is outstanding regarding the rest of the crypto sector. However, it's nothing that we might worry about when it comes to possible over leveraging this crypto. So right now something that may also focus our concentration on this asset is that we are sitting right now at the very important support of $30. So $30 was a resistance right before this crypto's carnage back in May 2021. Right now we are testing twice this exactly support, and with this test we are approaching possibly a very good entrance when it comes to extending a bull run. Definitely this resistance might be a level we won't exceed in the near future, and from which we will bounce to the upside significantly. So firstly I'd like to appoint one thing that may bother some traders or investors. This one thing is that we've broken this symmetrical triangle to the downside So it means right now the price, the token is in a real threat in terms of sustaining its growth. On 4-hour chart we can find that base of this triangle measures such extension, and if I'd like to turn to principles of technical analysis, we can find that after breaking in this symmetrical triangle, we might see a move to the downside from this formation of an extension with a minimum objective of 21 bucks. So a minimum objective of this formation is exactly an equivalent of a base of this triangle. So we may see even testing out the lows of September of 2021, and if that happen, we may see on the Cosmos definitely a pivotal change to the bear scenario, where we will test this 200 moving average that speaking for a continuation or cancellation of this bull run. So right now I would strictly point that we are in a bull run as long as we are maintaining this 30 bucks level. So this exactly hammer that has been built on 12th of October may point us that there is a still very strong bull reaction in terms of Cosmos, and we may see that those bulls may send the price higher upwards, even up to 45 bucks. So I would really consider right now such bearish scenario with a target to 20 bucks, as this horizontal level has bigger power in terms of maintaining such growth, and also after not breaking this recent confirmed bottom of 21st and 22nd September, we are still validating that Cosmos is moving in a bull run direction. So if you'd like to make an advantage of a recent plunge of Cosmos, that might be a very good possibility to open our position to the upside right from here. So if I'd like to make a trading board, that would be set like this, with an extension of 44 bucks and with a stop loss right below those weeks of 21st of September. So we are maintaining a risk-reward ratio at 3 points level, so it's quite decent in terms of trading ideas, and I would find Cosmos to maintain this area, but always remember about risk management. So if we hit right this 28.3 around level, just remember about verifying whether our assumptions are still true and whether it's still worth to maintain and hold to the position of Cosmos. So if we break to the downside below 30 bucks area, I would set here an alarm, or at least or even a stop loss if you'd like to stay at the safe side. So afterwards, if we hit this level, I would maybe not really exit a position unless you are very cautious, but I would just look at price action, whether this slump is very quick in terms of a move, or rather it's just moving slowly, and where we can find that bulls with bears are fighting with each other. So in terms of price action, I would find Cosmos to have its possibility to move upside from here, but I would also consider that there might be some worse scenario with a possible move to the downside. So in terms of also area of an entrance, I definitely find this area as valid, where I would make my bet to the upside. So bottom limit of this area is at 29.7 and upper one is at 33. So I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, just put it in the comment section below.